How to fix DNS_probe_finished_nxt domain error in Google Chrome on Windows 11. 1. Try accessing another website. 2. Disable VPN and proxy server. 3. Reboot the router, if any. 4. Flush the Chrome browser DNS cache at chrome/net_internal/# DNS5. Reset Chrome flags at Chrome//flags. 6. Flush system DNS cache. Command, IP protocol configuration /flushdns7. Switch to a different DNS server. 8. Reset Windows socket via netshare winsock reset command. Switch to a different DNS server. 8. Reset Windows socket via netshare winsock reset command.